In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a post on Substack, a platform known for empowering writers and creators to build communities through newsletters. Let's dive in and explore each step thoroughly so you can confidently share your voice with your subscribers. First, we need to log into Substack. Open up your web browser and navigate to www.substack.com. Once there, look for the Sign In button. This will typically be in the upper right-hand corner of the homepage. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to log in using your email, Google, or Apple account. Choose the option that's most convenient for you. If you're new to Substack, you'll need to create an account first, but if you're already a member, simply enter your credentials and you'll be taken to your dashboard. Now that we're logged in, it's time to start your creative journey. On your dashboard, you'll find the New Post button, which is your gateway to crafting your latest masterpiece. Click on it, and you'll be presented with options for the kind of post you'd like to create. Make your choice, and that'll whisk you away to the Substack editor, a versatile tool where the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, you'll want to begin crafting your message. Start by entering a captivating title at the top. Your title is the first thing your readers will see, so make it engaging and reflective of your content. Next, move on to the body of your post. Here, you have the freedom to pour your thoughts onto the page and craft your narrative. The Substack editor offers a rich text environment where you can format your content to make it visually appealing. Utilize headings for structure, insert images to complement your text, and feel free to add links, quotes, or even embeds from platforms like YouTube and Twitter to enhance your engagement. All the formatting tools you need can be found in the menu bar, so explore these options to ensure your post stands out. After crafting your post, it's time to decide on your delivery preferences. Substack provides several options tailored to your audience. You can choose to send your post to all your subscribers, ensuring everyone gets your latest update. Alternatively, you might want to tailor your message to specific groups, such as free or paid subscribers only. And if you're just ready to publish without sending an email to your audience, that's an option too. Carefully consider who you want to reach with each post to align it with your goals. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating and sharing your Substack content. Just follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to building your community and sharing your unique insights with the world. Happy writing!